In this video, I'm going to show you how to install SQL Server Management Studio. Open your browser and search for SQL Server Management Studio. Click on the first link that says download SQL Server Management Studio. On this screen, here you can find the link to download the latest version of SQL Server Management Studio. Right now it is 18.3.1. Click on the link to start the download. I have it already downloaded. It's there on my desktop. So wherever it is in your machine, just double click on that file to start the installation process. You can specify the location if required. I'll go with the default. After providing the location, click on the install button and the installation process starts. It might take a while for the installation to complete, so you can grab a cup of coffee. I'll just fast forward the recording to make it quick. That's it. The installation is complete. You can click on the close button to finish the installation. Click on Start and SQL Server Management Studio to start the application. All the connection and configuration information has been carried over from my previous installation. If it is not there for you, you can select the server type, provide the server name, and if you would want to go with Windows authentication, if it's configured, go with that, or you can select SQL Server authentication. Once it's done, click on connect. You might get an error saying SQL Server is not available. In such a case, make sure that SQL Server is started and running. Also, it's better you start SQL Server Launchpad service. Once it is done, go back and try again. Now it should start without any issues. That's it, friends. Thank you.